Alright, I'm going to go over how to import the live preview data. So it just gives you a set of example posts and pages to get you started. So let's just dive right in. So what we're going to do is go under Tools and Import, and we're going to import a WordPress file. And if you haven't imported one before, you'll get this prompt, and it just says that this is a plugin that you need to install. It's really small, it's really easy, so you go install and activate. And if you don't click the activate and run, all you have to do is go back to Tools and Import, or you can go back to Plugins actually and make sure you activate this WordPress importer. Then you can go to Tools, Import, and go to WordPress again, and it just says choose what file to import. So from your download from ThemeForest, you go to Live Preview XML. Super easy, there's only one file in there, so you choose that one file. Once we've chosen that one, you click Upload File and Import, and then it gives you this example. You can just read this text. It's just explaining to you, do you want these files to be uploaded as a user, your user, or this existing user? It's up to you. But the one thing you do want is to download and import file attachments. It just means that you want these demo images that I've uploaded so that you can actually see how everything works. So click Submit, and it actually shouldn't take too long. The files are relatively small, but we'll see how long it takes. So that was about, I don't know, 10 seconds or so maybe. This is pretty quick. So once you're done, it'll say all done, have fun. But we're not done actually. When you visit your site, everything's kind of not set up yet still. So what we do first is let's go under Appearance and Menus, and we do have our menus set up, but they're not set up under theme locations. We just have to select them. So under Primary Menu, click your main navigation, and header top, you just select top navigation and click Save. And this just makes these menus that are already created for you that you imported, they just are now associated with the correct menus. Then the last thing you're going to want to do is under Settings and Reading. Your front page is probably your latest posts. We're going to select a static page, and the page that we're going to select is Home Page. And so we'll select that and click Save. So now when we refresh our page, it looks kind of like the live preview, pretty much exactly like the live preview. We have some categories, then you have your short codes, so you can edit that page and see how those are generated. Then you have your Contact Us page, so you can see how that's generated. You have some categories with some advertisements, and then you also have different post types. So you have your gallery, standard posts, etc. And so you can edit your home page, for example. So under Pages, you can edit your home page, and you can see how the categories are pulled in. And then if you have any questions, of course, just reference the documentation on how to edit any of those. But it's super easy. You can just see how these pages are really easily generated. And you might be asking well, I want to remove this page title. That's super easy. You can just actually delete that title of the home page, and then you can update it, and then it'll look exactly like the home page of the live preview. And then as far as the sidebar goes, those are edited under Appearance and Widgets. And we do have a section under Sidebar Widgets with a video on how to edit those. It's just easy. You just drag and drop the widgets out if you don't want any of the widgets. So that is how to import the live preview. Should take you about 4 minutes maximum, and you'll have some content with a gallery and all that kind of stuff and examples, so it should be really easy.